2012 National Treasure Case 10 box number 1 with a free BGS grade. 10:40 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Good to have you guys on board. Thanks, guys, for hanging out and being a part of the breaks here tonight. That's always fun whenever you make the guesses, right? All right. Here we go, guys. Yeah, I thought that was actually a pretty solid case. I mean, believe me, it could have been 1,000 times worse. So I don't know. You got to take those wins. There was a 101, a Trent Richardson auto, Peyton Manning auto, and a dual auto of 2 awesome quarterbacks or cornerbacks. So I'll take those. I'll take that all day. Cool. Here we go. This is going to be case 10 box number 1. Good luck. Here we go. Harlan Hill. Seeing a lot of Harlan Hill tonight. Going to the Bears. 94 out of 99. Then you got Ryan Matthews going to San Diego. Way down there. Mark Art. Here you go. 98 out of 99. Then you got Jeremy Maclin. 16 out of 25. So shorter print going to Philadelphia. HBKYD. There you go. Andy Dalton going to Cincinnati. 84 out of 99. Stevie F. There you go, pup. So good to have you guys on board. UltimateBoxBreaks.com. Here's a nice little Eric Berry. Patches O'Houlihan, 43 out of 49. That's going to Dancing Monkey way down there. Kansas City always sneaks in some weird little hits. I like it. Then you got Cam. Was it Chancellor? Hey, Cam Chancellor. And that'll be going to Seattle, 29 out of 75. And then Jared Crick. 2 out of 99 going to Houston. Jay Dahlstrom. There you go, bub. And look at this little baby nugget, Blaine Gabbert. Going to Jacksonville. That'll be 37 out of 49. Who's got Jacksonville? Where are they at? Way down there. LC for life. There you go, bub. Then you got Holly Nagata. 10 out of 49 going to Baltimore. So spreading the hits out. D. Joe's 78. There you go. It is supposed to be a patch in there, so it's the 120 point. A little thicker guy. And then, hey, London Fletcher. Nice little Washington hit. LC for life. There you go, dude. Man, 13 out of 15. Just keep the hits going. I like this next one. I do. I'm not going to play around. Oh, man. Jeez, oh, Pete, dude. Yeah. All right. So I like this hit, which will be a Marshall Faulk. Super Bowl auto, Minlikey. Look at this, 8 out of 10. Why do I like this card so much? Oh, Marshall Faulk. There he is going to St. Louis. Yeah, Floyd Town. There you go, bub. And how about we just keep them rolling? How about we just keep the... Guys, get serious about it. Come on, man. The dolphin is squawking. Wait, do dolphins squawk? I'm not sure. That's going to Miami. Dancing monkey. Get back up in the mix, player. You got to do like a weird little dance in your chair right now. I know you are. There it is. Is this a true rookie? Yeah, it is. 90 out of 99. Tannehill. True rookie. Come on. Oh, man. What a nice hit, bro. Dude, that's a real nice hit. Because that's true rookie and a solid patch. And I'm telling you what, he's a starting quarterback for Miami, which Miami's a good freaking team. Here's on the second note. I'm just killing it out of National Treasures. Come on, man. That Marshall Falk is really nice too, by the way. But